Hi everyone. So the next section is 7.f, callable bonds. So this is a special bond. So basically the issuer, or you can say the borrower if loan. The issuer has a right to pay off the redemption value C before the maturity date. And this date is called call date. So what's the idea behind this? So sometimes, okay, so suppose you borrow some money, and if you have enough money, you want to pay off. So that is possible. So basically this type of bonds, the issuer has a right to pay off the redemption value. So more flexibility for issuer. And in reality, this happens when interest rate changes. So suppose the interest rate gets lower, then issuer wants to pay off the redemption value to end the contract. Then issuer doesn't have to pay high coupon. So that is a benefit for issuer. Or if you borrow a loan, mortgage, at maybe 5% annual effective, and suppose that annual effective rate goes down to 1%, then you don't want to pay 5% interest anymore. So you want to pay off. So you want to have that option. So that is the idea of callable bonds. So basically, to determine the price of callable bonds, the most important fact is the issuer determines an actual call date to maximize its profit. Okay, so issuer wants to maximize their profit. So that is the point. Okay, so since the issuer has a right, the issuer determines the actual call date. Okay. And in reality, the actual call date depends on the yield rate, but in this section, for simplicity, yield rate is constant. So in this section, the yield rate is constant, just for simplicity. But in reality, the change in yield rate affects when the issuer calls the bond. Okay, so this is the concept of the callable bonds. So in the next video, we discuss an example.